Good morning and welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Looking at our current surface analysis today, at the moment for today, not much to talk about in our region. We're going to be seeing a very mild day today with high temperatures in the low 50s, relatively light winds, and sunny skies. Now looking at our upper level winds today, at 1,000 feet we have winds coming out of the west at 9 knots, increasing all the way up to 90 knots at 25,000 feet, also out of the west. And our freezing level today is 2,500 feet. Now looking at our visible satellite imagery today, you can see nice sunny conditions in our area as well as most of the Delmarva and Virginia as a whole. Going to be seeing these sunny conditions persist throughout the day today. Now taking a look at our reflectivity and cloud cover over the next 24 hours. As you can see, we're staying nice and clear in our area. Not going to be seeing many clouds build in until early Friday morning and still expected to stay dry for the next 24 hours. And now picking back up on Friday morning, we'll see another system very similar to what we saw a couple days ago move into our area. It's going to impact our region late Friday evening into early Saturday morning. Those winds are going to pick up ahead of it, however, so all day during the day on Friday and Saturday, we're going to be seeing some elevated winds. Winds are going to be gusting up pretty substantially to about 45 to 55 miles per hour. So just a touch below the winds that we forecasted for the previous system a couple days ago, but a very strong system nonetheless. Also going to be seeing a little bit less rain out of it, but still a potent system moving through Friday into Saturday morning. Once that leaves the area Saturday and into Sunday, we're going to be seeing some colder temperatures move into the area. Moving into next week, Monday looking to be more dry than what we saw yesterday. It looks like the system's going to move more so into Tuesday that we're going to track next week. This model is the GFS, and this is how it's playing out the system Tuesday during the day with this low pressure moving off the coast, off towards the northeast, seeing some rain in our area and some chances of some snow on the backside. Not looking very likely in terms of that snow for this model, but seeing that cold air dig in behind it. Just looking at another model real quick though, this is the European model for that same time frame on Tuesday. This shows a much more potent low moving through off to the northeast and more substantial chances for snow in our area. So some agreement in that there will be a system moving through Tuesday of next week, but it's really going to depend on where that rain-snow line sets up and where the location of that low is going to be. But nonetheless, it's something that we'll be tracking tomorrow and early next week. Once that system moves through, as we move into Wednesday of next week and Thursday, looking to see some colder temperatures and no real chances of precipitation. And now looking at our 24-hour weather risk chart today, a very short half for us today as we're expected to see clear skies mainly for the next 24 hours and then a few clouds building in Friday morning. Our temperatures today started off at 34 degrees. We are at 45 degrees right now, looking at a high this afternoon around 53, a low tonight around 34. Our winds today started out of the west-southwest at 4 to 8 knots, now more southwesterly in direction, going to be about 7 to 12 knots throughout most of the rest of the day today. Changing wind direction as we move into Friday, becoming out of the northeast at about 4 to 8 knots Friday morning. And our tides are slightly above normal. Now looking at the next 7 days, we've got a couple of chances for some pretty interesting weather in our forecast. So today, nice sunny day with a high of 53 degrees, nice and mild before we move into Friday. Friday, we'll see partly cloudy conditions earlier in the day, but those clouds increasing as we move into the afternoon, evening hours. Very windy conditions as well, again, for Friday and Saturday. Seeing those peak winds Friday night into Saturday morning, gusting up to about 45 to 55 miles per hour. Some chances of some embedded thunderstorms as well, and not looking to be too substantial in terms of the flooding potential for our area, mainly just another wind event for our area. Once that event moves through, Saturday will become mainly partly cloudy, but still windy, similar to what we saw yesterday. High of 55 degrees. Moving into Sunday, partly cloudy with a high of 46. And then early next week, we'll see some chances of precipitation come into our area and could see some wintry precipitation mixed in with that. Monday looking like a cloudy day, just a slight chance of some precipitation later in the day, but the bulk of that looks to be moved into Tuesday. High of 45 on Monday. High of 40 on Tuesday, but as you see moving into Wednesday morning, seeing that low drop down to 25 and then a high of 37 on Wednesday. So a chance that we could see again some rain or snow showers moving into early next week. Again, a system we will be keeping an eye on to see how it plays out as we get a few days closer. And then finally, Wednesday of next week looks to be partly cloudy with a high of 37. That's going to conclude our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We will be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. I hope you guys have a great day.